Have you ever wondered why Warren Buffett, one of the world's wealthiest individuals, was able to amass such incredible wealth, while many of us find it challenging to escape the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck? The answer lies in his commitment to a frugal lifestyle and sound financial practices. Welcome to Wealthway, and in this video, we'll delve into Warren Buffett's 19 simplest and most effective frugal living tips, which you can start implementing today to pave your way to financial success. Tip 1. Go brandless. Warren Buffett's financial choices are emblematic of his frugality. One notable aspect is his preference for unbranded products. Unlike many people who indulge in expensive brands, Buffett only considers branded items when they come at a discount and serve a specific purpose. By following this simple principle, you can significantly lower your monthly expenses. Consider opting for generic brands in your daily life to save money without compromising on quality. Tip 2. Have an emergency fund. Financial security is paramount, and Warren Buffett wholeheartedly believes in it. He famously said, "Don't save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving." Building an emergency fund is a cornerstone of this philosophy. Having a financial safety net protects you from unexpected setbacks that could otherwise jeopardize your financial stability. The best part? It's incredibly easy to achieve by setting up automatic payments to consistently save a portion of your income. Tip 3. Start borrowing. Warren Buffett's frugality extends to borrowing rather than buying items you won't need for an extended period. Consider this. If you enjoy reading but seldom revisit books, borrowing from your local library is an excellent alternative to buying every book. Similarly, if you're a parent, borrowing baby toys or cribs for temporary use can save you a significant amount of money. Buffett himself borrowed a crib when his third child was born, recognizing the wisdom of not purchasing something that would have limited use. This frugal habit is both practical and easy to adopt. Tip 4. Be patient. Patience is an often overlooked virtue in the realm of personal finance. Warren Buffett emphasizes the importance of waiting for the right opportunity rather than impulsively acting. He suggests that the primary downfall of money managers is their inability to wait for the ideal moment. The beauty of this frugal tip lies in its simplicity. Instead of rushing into purchases, take the time to deliberate for a few days. You'll be surprised at how much less you spend and how much happier you feel when you make well-considered decisions. Tip 5. Use your city's website. Warren Buffett resides in Omaha, a relatively small and unassuming city. Despite its size, he finds numerous ways to enjoy life without overspending. Surprisingly, your city likely offers a treasure trove of events and activities, many of which are free or low cost as well. By taking advantage of your city's resources, you can lead a fulfilling and budget-friendly life. It's an easy frugal habit to adopt because you're simply tapping into existing opportunities that require minimal effort. Tip 6. Don't upgrade your tech. Buffett's stance on technology is fascinating. While many people rush to embrace the latest gadgets and gizmos, he prefers a functional, old-school approach. His use of a flip phone, a device that has become a relic in today's smartphone-dominated world, underscores his belief that technology should serve a purpose, not merely be a status symbol. Following this frugal principle is as simple as waiting until your tech genuinely needs an upgrade, rather than succumbing to the allure of every new release. Tip 7. Learn cheap hobbies. In the digital age, hobbies can become expensive endeavors, with gear and equipment costs adding up quickly. However, learning inexpensive hobbies can transform your financial outlook. Warren Buffett himself finds immense joy in playing bridge, an old card game that only requires a deck of cards. The key here is to choose pastimes that don't break the bank. Whether it's drawing, reading, or pursuing other low-cost hobbies, embracing frugality can enhance your life without straining your budget. Tip 8. Only eat out if it's cheap. Warren Buffett's dietary preferences are legendary. He adheres to a diet he humorously refers to as that of a 6-year-old because, as he points out, the mortality rate of a 6-year-old is the lowest. You won't find him splurging on expensive delicacies or extravagant meals. Instead, he advocates for cooking at home and only eating out if it's budget-friendly. While preparing your meals may require a bit more effort than ordering takeout, it's an easy and rewarding frugal habit that leads to substantial savings. Tip 9. Save your money. While saving money may seem like a no-brainer, there's more to it than meets the eye. Building an emergency fund is one facet of saving. But there's another aspect we'll explore later in this video. Warren Buffett's wealth is a testament to his lifelong commitment to saving. Fortunately, saving money has never been more straightforward, thanks to automatic payments that effortlessly divert a portion of your income into savings. It's a hassle-free way to secure your financial future. Tip 10. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is the most rewarding investment you can make. Warren Buffett's sage advice emphasizes the incredible value of self-improvement. Whether it's reading books, taking courses, or developing professional skills, investing in yourself is not only enjoyable, but also a pathway to personal and financial growth. This frugal habit is easy to embrace, especially if you're passionate about learning and personal development. It's a way to enhance your career prospects and increase your earning potential. Tip 11. Be a coupon user. Coupons are a powerful tool for saving money, as even Warren Buffett himself recognized. During a trip with Bill Gates, Buffett famously purchased their entire meal at McDonald's using coupons. While it might seem extreme, the lesson is clear. If you can buy something on sale or with a coupon, you should. With numerous apps and websites offering discounts and coupons, it's never been easier to incorporate this frugal habit into your shopping routine. Tip 12. Invest your money. Investing your money wisely is another fundamental principle of building wealth, and it's one for which Warren Buffett is renowned. His success as an investor has elevated him to the status of one of the world's richest individuals. The key takeaway is that getting rich quickly is often a mirage. Instead, sustainable wealth is built over time. A straightforward strategy for beginners is dollar cost averaging, which can be automated, allowing your money to grow steadily over the long term. Tip 13. Own a used car. Warren Buffett's choice to own used cars is not solely driven by frugality, but by functionality. He seeks safe and reliable transportation rather than the latest model. This straightforward mindset can be applied to your own life. If a used item serves the same function as a new one, opt for the used version. It's a practical frugal habit that can help you save significantly over time. Tip 14. Use cash. Using cash for your transactions can be a frugal game changer. Warren Buffett often carries a substantial amount of cash, providing him with liquidity and financial flexibility. You can easily implement this frugal tip by using your debit card for purchases. It's a simple way to stay debt-free and ensure that your spending aligns with your budget. Tip 15. Don't lose money. Warren Buffett's golden rule of investing is succinct. Rule number 1 is don't lose money. Rule number 2 is don't forget rule number 1. While this may sound remarkably simple, it's a mindset that sets him apart from many investors. When managing your expenses and budget, always ensure that the value you receive from a purchase exceeds the money you spend. Ask yourself how often you'll use an item each week. If it's infrequent, reconsider the purchase. Tip 16. Wait for a sale. Patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to spending money. Warren Buffett's investment strategy revolves around purchasing assets when they're undervalued. You can apply the same principle to your personal finances by waiting for sales or discounts before making non-urgent purchases. There's always a sale around the corner, and by waiting for the right moment, you can make your money go further. Tip 17. Don't buy what you don't expect to use in 10 years. An effective frugal habit endorsed by Warren Buffett is evaluating the longevity of your purchases. Look around your room and consider how many items you expect to still use a decade from now. This straightforward approach helps you make purchases that provide long-term value. If you can't foresee yourself using an item in the long run, it may not be worth the expense. Tip 18. Have a home that fits your life. Warren Buffett has lived in the same house for over 5 decades. His approach to home ownership emphasizes living within your means and choosing a home that suits your lifestyle. While home ownership is often touted as an investment, Buffett's view is pragmatic. A home should be affordable and align with your needs. This frugal habit is easy to adopt, provided you prioritize practicality over extravagance. Tip 19. Enjoy moments over expenses. In the pursuit of happiness, it's essential to remember that moments hold more value than material possessions. Warren Buffett's philosophy on life centers on cherishing experiences and relationships. When looking for easy frugal habits, focus on spending quality time with loved ones and creating memorable moments that don't come with a hefty price tag. Consider hosting gatherings at home, cooking meals together, or engaging in low-cost activities. Not only will you save money, but you'll also forge lasting bonds and cherished memories. Incorporating these 19 simple and easy frugal living tips into your daily life can pave the way to financial success, just as Warren Buffett has exemplified throughout his remarkable career. Remember that small changes in your financial habits can lead to significant savings and a brighter financial future. So why wait? Start implementing these frugal practices today and watch your financial well-being flourish.